slowly, it's showing. My heart is overflowing. You never left this town, but I could barely breathe. I feel like it was yesterday when you told me not to leave. And though it's been a while, I still feel alone. I'm coming back next Saturday. I wonder if you're home. So stay with me, stay with me. Why not just vacate with me? Run away for the day with me. Honest, that's okay with me. Just stay with me, stay with me. We ain't got no place to be. Hotel rooms and memories. Honest, you should stay. Wandering with you by my side. Stay with me, just stay. Wondering what we left behind. Stay with me, yeah. Just stay with me, yeah. Lately, it's fading. There's no way we'll make it. Did we make the scene more than what it was? You said you wanna leave this town, but no one ever does. The summer's turning cold, we bent until we broke. You're sick of writing letters, so you started letting go. So stay with me,